Welcome to our tutorial on how to navigate www.dpeducation.lk, your one-stop platform for world-class digital learning. Let's start. First of all, open a web browser. Type www.dpeducation.lk in the address bar and press enter. You will now see the homepage of the DP Education website. After logging into the website, select Grades from menu that appears on the top of the interface and click on it. Then you will be shown the list of grades. Select the grade in which your child is studying. You will then be taken to a new page with a list of subjects for the selected grade. Now choose the subject your child wishes to study. Now select the child's desired subject. This opens the subject page, where you will see a list of video lessons. Click on the title of the video lesson that your child wants to watch, and that's it. You have successfully navigated www.dpeducation.lk. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime to access other grades or subjects. Thank you for watching this video. If there is any problem related to this, don't forget to inform our team about it.